Cleveland Mayor Kevin Brooks spent 11 days in the hospital battling COVID-19 back in July. Now he's healthy and he's donating plasma. Our Meredith Aldis sat down with him today while he donated that plasma. She has his message for those who have recovered like him.
Greg, Mayor Brooks tells me the donating process is easy and painless. He says it saved his life in the hospital and he hopes more people will donate.
This is the ultimate paying it forward.
Cleveland Mayor Kevin Brooks says he woke up one day and felt terrible. So he went into the walk-in clinic. He was tested for COVID, strep, and the flu, and the results came back negative. The next day, his chest was still hurting, so he went to the hospital.
It's the sickest I had ever been, and we just could not figure out what it was.
5 days after being in the ICU, he tested positive for COVID-19.
You don't know how it's going to end. You obviously hear the worst, and people were unfortunately succumbing to the illness in the same ICU that I was there.
Mayor Brooks says while he was in the ICU, he was told his plasma was ready, but someone who was sicker than he was needed it before he did. Mayor Brooks finally received the plasma and believes it saved his life.
Looking back, that next person, if they hadn't have donated, maybe
I wouldn't be here. Without a doubt, to me, convalescent donor plasma is one of the things that saved my life.
He says while he had physical symptoms, it was also psychologically daunting.
Isolation is terrible. Your family can't see you. No one is able to visit you for 11 straight days.
Blood Assurance says there is a critical need for plasma from COVID survivors, and Mayor Brooks encourages you to donate.
You've had COVID and you're over it and you're well, you are walking around with superhero antibodies.
If you've had COVID-19 and recovered, you can fill out a form at bloodassurance.org and a staff member will contact you to schedule an appointment. Like Mayor Brooks says, you can save a life. He says his wife and daughter plan to donate soon too. Reporting in studio, Meredith Aldis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.